execution begins. Then next is the dim num employees hours worked as integer is this declares two integer variables, the num employees and hours worked. So also the hourly wage, the gross salary, tax, net salary and total gross salary, and the total net salary as double is declares 6 doubles precision floating point variables. And the dim employees also is the dim employees as string is this declares a string variable employee name to store the name of each employee, and the total gross salary equals 0 and total net salary is 0. These lines initialize the variables total gross salary and total net salary to 0. So let's console and write enter the name, the number of employees. So this line displays a message asking for user to enter the number of employees. Then another is the num employees equals integer parse console red line. So this line reads the input from the user or the number of employees as a string using console.red line converts it in an integer, so integer parse, and assign it to variables. So for I as integer equals 1 to num employees is this line starts a loop that iterates from 1 to the number of employees entered by the user or the num employees. Then console write or enter name for employee is this line prompts the user to enter the name for each employee where I represents the current iteration of the loop. The next is the employee name or equals console.red line is also this line reads the input from the user or employee name and assigns it to the variable. Then console.write or enter gross salary for an employee name. So this line prompts the user to enter the gross salary for the current employee. Then gross salary equals double parse or console.red line is this line reads the input from the user or gross salary as string using console red line, converts it to a double precision floating point number using double parse, and assign it to variable gross salary. So tax is equal to gross salary, or this line calculates the tax amount, which is 20% of the gross salary. The net salary equals to gross salary or tax. This line calculates the net salary by subtracting the amount from the gross salary. Then the last line is the console.write line or total gross salary and total gross salary and total net salary is this line prints out the total gross and net salaries for all employees combined. Then last is the console red line. This line waits for the user to press OK before closing the console window, allowing them to view the output. So this is the output of this code.